Welcome. In front of me is an IGET Smart L203, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel, and I already have the toggle enabled right here, but by default it is disabled, so you want to tap on this pencil right here and basically drag it over from these toggles that are below. And once you drag it over and drop it, you can go back and you will have the toggle somewhere here. So once you have it, you can hold it to quickly gain access to the settings of it. Tap on Wi-Fi hotspot, and here select Advanced, where you will find number one, the hotspot password. By default, it's just going to be some randomly generated password, so I do recommend you to change it. I'm going to set up something a little bit easier, so it does need to have 8 characters in length. Now we have a couple additional settings right here, which you can tweak to your liking. I'm just going to keep everything as it is right now and simply go back, just changing the password. And once you have set it all up, find the toggle once more and simply tap on it to turn it on. Now it does use your Wi-Fi as a way to broadcast your hotspot signal, so this will only be using your mobile network from a SIM card, and as long as it is enabled, you won't have any kind of Wi-Fi. So that being said, it also will consume a little bit more battery when it's being used, so make sure you turn it off once you're done with it. Now, as you can see, Wi-Fi comes back on as well. Now that being said, this is how you'd set it up and use it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.